how to calculate shipping on AllChinaBuy. So you want to go to the website, and underneath the search bar you will see shipping calculator. Click on it and it's gonna take us to this page. Here we need to choose the country which we are shipping to. Let's leave it as the USA. And then here the warehouse which we can choose from. Currently there's only one. Now you will need to put the weight of your order in this field. So let's do 500 grams. This size needs to be input as well in length, width and height. So let's do 20. It's in centimeters, so you need to convert it if you're from the US. And the item category here, you will need to choose what type of item you will be shipping. So let's do textile leather items, and it's going to be a common brand. So after you have filled out all of this information, you can click on check now, and it's going to calculate how much the shipping fee will be. So here you can see it's 108, and you can choose the appropriate shipping provider. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.